Hey guys, thanks for checking out the channel. If this is your first time here, I go over Myecon, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, how to make money online, and I've been helping people and showing people and coaching people on how they can make money online for several years now. I'm very good at it, very successful at it, and I'm here to answer the question, does Myecon work? First, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell, and let's answer the question, does Myecon actually work? Okay, so does Myecon work? No, Myecon does not work. If you're one of these people that don't want to do anything, Myecon is not going to work, and neither is anything else. Neither is the $700 course or the $1,100 strategy or whatever that shit is. Nothing is going to work for you if you think you can pay a startup fee, not do anything, and just start making money. Nothing is going to work. You are going to have to work at anything you make money at. But if you are willing to commit to yourself, if you're willing to commit to actually making money online, then yes, Myecon absolutely 100% without a doubt will work for you. All you got to do is join through grabthislink.com. If you go there and you are committed to wanting to actually make money online this time, not just, I think I'll try to make money online this time. No, don't do that. Nothing is going to work. But if you're committed, if you actually want to stick with it, if you actually want to follow the system and do what it says, I guarantee you make money with this system. How can I do that? Hit that subscribe button, go to grabthislink.com. Sign up through there, watch that video. Go to grabthislink.com, fill out your name, phone, and email, watch that video, and it'll explain to you exactly how I can guarantee that you make money with this system if you are willing to put in effort. You need to put in effort, otherwise nothing is going to work for you. Nothing on this planet is going to work for you if you don't want to do anything. I used to be that type of person, and I used to complain because nothing was working for me, till I realized I took a hard look at what I was doing, and I wasn't doing anything. Stopped spinning my wheels, started moving, followed the system. Now I make money online, and I can show you how to make money online with this system, just like I've done for many other people. Hit that subscribe button, go to grabthislink.com, watch that video, hit the button under that video, get signed up, get started making money online. Or you know what? I'm going to link this playlist right here. Hit this playlist, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Watch this playlist. Watch every video from beginning to end. Double up the speed. I kind of talk a little slow because I don't want to leave anybody behind. So double up the speed on the video, or 1.5 it, hit the little gear and hit the speed and change the speed if you want to. But pay attention from beginning to end, because I go over every single step with this system that is absolutely going to work for you if you follow the steps and if you join through grabthislink.com, so you get an absolutely free front-end marketing system with all of the training and all of the tools that you need without having to pay anything extra. Check it out, guys. I'm telling you, it does work if you're willing to work it. It does work if you're willing to work it. I like that. Go there. I'll see you out there.